So today we've got Latitude Margaritaville, this beautiful Aloha model. I can't wait to show it to you. Let's go. This home is as serene in the outdoor living, and this lanai is a perfect place to enjoy the exterior. The open living space is all cohesive in design. This dining room offers ample space for an intimate gathering. This sexy kitchen with the high-end appliances and beauty. This home was professionally designed and upgraded with all these luxurious touches. And this den offers more sleeping and such a cozy design. This second bedroom and den offers a great zone for guests to be on their own. Not only luxurious design, but maximized for storage. And right around the corner from the tunnel to town square. So for more information, look in the description below. I've got the listing link there for you for all the added details, and subscribe to thebeachshow.com.